Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. We've got a 2021 Sabre Cobalt 38 DBQ. Fifth wheel, bunkhouse, very cool. Got a camp kitchen outside, hot and cold water, refrigerator, lots of storage, second door, roof ladder, power awning, solid entry step, extra large grab handle, and the brand new glass doors. They're very nice. Couple of recliners, heat, massage, and light, table and chairs, zebra curtains, got the new Edison bulbs in some of the fixtures, residential refrigerator, couple drawers for the freezer, range, microwave, TV, fireplace, lots of storage, USB charging ports and outlets. This unit has 2 air conditioners, ceiling fan, come back to the bunk room, fold out couch, lots of storage, and we've got an upper bunk area. Got a full bath in the back. Front bedroom, king bed, full front closet, lots of storage, with washer dryer prep, TV backer for an extra TV, this unit has solar panel, backup camera. Come on down. We're located just north of Friendship on Highway 13. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.